Level 1 Beginner Lesson 1 Alphabet. Hello and welcome to your first English lesson. I am so happy you are here. Whether you are learning English for the first time or starting again, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to begin with the ABC, the building blocks of English. We will also meet a lovely family, Vikram, Alka, Sachi and Arav, and follow their story as we learn together. Are you ready? Great, let's get started. Meet the family. Vikram is a father, Alka is a mother. They have two children, Sachi and Arav. The family has decided to learn English together and you will learn with them. The alphabet, ABCs. Let's begin with the English alphabet. There are 26 letters. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Uppercase and lowercase together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Repeat after me. Pause the video if needed. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Repeat after me. Pause the video if needed. V, W, X, Y, Z. Exercise. Say the letters. Now it's your turn. Say the letters again. This time pause after each one so you can say it. A day with the family. Now let's visit our family again. Vikram and Alka are helping their children learn the alphabet. Let's listen. Vikram, A is for apple. Arav, B is for ball. Alka, good. C is for cat. Sachi, D is for dog. E is for elephant. Can you say what comes next? F is for? Yes, F is for fish. Great work. G is for goat. And H is for hat. I is for igloo. J is for jelly. You are doing amazing. What comes after J? That's right. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. You are all doing so well. Let's keep going. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. Can you guess what comes after S? Yes, T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Just two more letters. What comes after X? Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra. Fantastic job. You just went from A to Z. Give yourself a big clap. Practice time. Say and write. Let's write now. You can use your notebook or any piece of paper. Write the letters A to Z in uppercase and lowercase. Pause the video, write the letters and come back when you are done. Done. Awesome. Quick recap. Let's recap what we learned today. 26 letters of English alphabet. Some new words like apple, ball, cat and dog. Practiced speaking and writing. Mini quiz time. Let's check your memory. I'll ask 3 quick questions. First, how many letters are there in English? Second, what comes after D? And third, write 3 words starting with A, B, and C. Pause the video and answer, then press play for answers. First, how many letters are there in English? 26. Second, what comes after D? E. And third, write 3 words starting with A, B, and C. Apple, ball, and cat. Your words may vary. Good job. Before we end, today was a big leap, your first English lesson. Vikram and his family are just like you, learning, practicing, and growing every day. In the comments, tell us what word did you enjoy learning today? Was it apple or maybe elephant? We would love to know. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. And please share your thoughts in comments. We read every one. Keep practicing and keep smiling. See you soon. Bye.